Hi, and we've got another stock market game, and this time it's the stock market game on the Amiga. It's another simulation, but this is the UK version, and there's the Big Ben and Houses of Parliament there. So we'll give this a go. I've only played this once, and it's my second time on it, and this time I've got the text application on there. I'll just show you what I'm going to do to see if we can profit from this game. It's a simple mechanical system. Do you want to read the instructions? No. Whoops. Should be in this screen. How many players? 1. What's my name? I'm going to be Mr. Trader today. And the market's open. I think that's London Bridge. Right, so these are the stocks. And I'm going to just tab across to... Yeah, I can tab across to my text application, then go back into the game. So there's a bunch of famous names, and you must remember this game was released I think in the late 80s, so some of these games are not games these companies don't exist anymore. I know Woolworths doesn't exist in its traditional form. It's a UK online retailer now, but it did have massive chains of shops throughout the length and breadth of this country. Alright, so how I'm going to play is I'm going to wait a couple of rounds. I'll wait for the price to just do, give us some previous history, because there's only 10 rounds I think, and then we'll just buy at breakouts of major round numbers and raise our stop once it breaches a major round number. So you can press G, you can look at the charts of each of these stocks. So it starts off at 0 and it goes up to 100 there, and then it goes up to 140. When it breaches that, it splits, so the price is sort of different, so you need to make a quick calculation of what the price in old money is, but I'll show you how I'm going to do that as we play it. If we press S, you can scroll through the stocks, but as the game's just started, there's no price action here. So alright, so as nothing's moved, we're just going to end the turn. Have a drink. Now we made about 25% average return in our last game in the US version. Let's see if we can beat that today. There's some news here. Good news for British Steel. Something's happened in Japan. British Steel up 11. Tandy up 6. I remember Tandy was an electronics shop, so a shop I used to go to buy bits and pieces. Dunlop up 13. General Electric up 17. Dividends BP 8. Tandy 18. And we're in a bear market apparently. Oh, someone's gone bankrupt already. Okay, let's see, look at the stocks that have gone up. So British Airways is up to 41. Hasn't cleared the major round number, and that's 50 for us here. British Steel, so that's from 47 to 63, so let's buy that one. buy, and we'll do a pilot position. We've got £50,000. Let's put 10% in there. So let's write that down. Just got to hold the 50 area. What else we got here? British Telecom. It's above the 100 area, and it's gone a bit far from our major round number, so I don't want to miss out on this one. So let's buy that. If it works out, we'll pyramid our position. But as it's far away from our breakout areas, risk a very small amount. So 2,500. Let's write that down. Tab across. Whoops. British Telecom is still around today in 2016. Right. What else we got here? AT&T, Coca-Cola, Syntex. Syntex, I believe they invented one of the first contraceptive pills, and that I remember that had a really big run, bull run. I read about it. I was too young to trade in 1987. Mobile Oil's gone down. BP's gone flat. Dunlop, that's past the 50 area, but it's at 78, so it's a bit too far, definitely too far for us to... If it clears 100, we'll buy there. Warner Communications, it's gone from 93 to 111, so let's buy that one, as it's cleared the 100 area, see if it holds it. And we'll buy £5,000 worth. That's just our general lot we're using. So let's write that down. Whoops. Tab across. So let's have a look at the charts and just to show you what's going on. So there's British Airways going up, Pan Am going down, and it's early days, so I'll just look at the chart later on, I think, when it builds up a bit. And let's have a look at our assets just to confirm we've got those three stocks. There we are. So let's hope we can improve on 50,000 as our total net worth there. So let's end the round. I'll probably predict this game will last about 30 minutes. So don't want to make the video too long. Okay, it's still a bear market. AT&T announces new 15% off bonus plan. Mattel up 7, AT&T up 7, General Motors up 11, Lotus Development up 14. I think they produced a lot of software in the 80s and they did quite well. Mobile Oil Corporation 19. That's dividends, that is. Okay, let's see how our stocks have done. Let's have a look at British Steel. I'm not going to buy more than 3 stocks, I think, just to keep this game simple. So that's still holding the 50 area, so that's alright. It's gone up a bit more since we bought it. BT has gone down, but it hasn't triggered our stop at 117. Warner Communications, it's just cresting on 99, so I'm just going to leave that. If it goes any lower, then we'll be out. Anything else go up? Lotus was up. Jaguar 104. And Tandy. I would like to buy Tandy and Jaguar actually, because they're both past the 100 area. Well, let's do that because we're writing it down, so it's not going to be too bad. We just want to buy some uptrends, and some of them are going to fall by the wayside. So it's only a game, so let's just buy it. So what we bought, Jaguar 5000, and that's got to hold the 100 area. And what else we're buying? Tandy. $5,000. Let's write that down. And that's got to hold the 100 area. So that's okay. Rolls Royce we might want to keep an eye on. So let's check our assets. Press A to do that. So our net worth's down a bit, but it's still early days. So let's end the round. And we're still in a bear market. I'm probably going to ignore that sign. We'll just work to our system. Woolworth sales are down 20% below last. So that's a profit warning. We don't hold it, luckily. Woolworth's down 19. Mattel down 9. Tandy's down. That's a shame. We'll be stopped out, I suspect. General Motors down. Jaguar 8. We got some dividends with our Jaguar stock. I mean, who defines it's a bear or bull market? We don't get to see the stock index, unfortunately. Okay, let's check our stocks firstly. So British Steel, that's up a bit more from 72 to 90. That's okay. Hasn't cleared 100 yet. BT, British Telecom, is flat. Warner Communications, right, that's gone from 99 to 94. So we've got to sell all of that. That's triggered our stop. Luckily, it's a small loss, and that's how you should play it. Let your winners run and cut your losses short. So we'll sell the whole lot by pressing 1. And let's remove that from here. Boom. That easy. Jaguar, let's see. Oh, that's gone from 104 to 92, so we are out. Now in real life I don't have the stop that close to 100 because the markets can get a bit volatile. So I risk less, and then you can have your stop a bit further away. So Tandy, where are you? That's up 1, that's okay. So let's see if there's anything we could buy. It's easy to overtrade on this game. AT&T's up to 107, 98 to 107. That's quite good. But I'll probably want to look at the chart. Nothing else looks interesting. So let's keep an eye on AT&T. These are, no reason to buy these. They're going down. Lotus might be worth a look if it has a stock split. So I've missed out on that, unfortunately. Jaguar we're out of, as it fell past the 100 area. British Steel, which we've been riding on this bull market trend now for the last 3 rounds, is probably going to have a stock split soon. Tandy, which we're in. BT has been largely flat. AT&T. So that's a breakout. So we're going to buy that. So let's buy that one. Telecommunication seems to be doing well. So let's put £5,000 in there. And let's have a look at our assets. So we're up by £972. We're not going to borrow money in this game. You can do that with a loan, but we're just going to keep it simple. Let's keep our system simple. Okay. So we bought AT&T. We need to write that down. And that's got to hold the 100 area. Oops. Got rid of the game there. Let's end the round. Let's see how long we've been recording. We are recording, aren't we? Oh, it doesn't say. Okay. Never mind. It's now a bull market. What's it saying? The Soviet Union last week began its pullout of 8,000 troops. BP up 12. Warner Communications down, which we have sold out of, so it's still in a downtrend, and that's why it's important to take your stop losses and losses from it. Rolls-Royce up 8, Syntex down 5, Jaguar up 10, British Airways down 19, BP down 19, Warner Comms down 19, which we're out of, Rolls-Royce down 19. Okay, we've seen this before, haven't we? Oh, everything going down. How can it be a bull market? That's strange. Oh, we've got some dividends from AT&T. Let's have a look. I suspect to be a sea of red. So let's check what our holdings. British Deal is up from 90 to 99. Hasn't cleared the 100 area yet. British Telecom's flat. Tandy is down 115 to 82. So that's broken that area, 100 area, so we are out. Let's get out. AT&T's flat. So Coca-Cola's actually cleared the 50 area from 44 to 63. And Syntex, we've missed that one. It's at 62. Well, it was at 62. Now it's at 86. Rolls-Royce is on 100, but not cleared it, so we're not going to touch that one. So let's have a look at the charts. As Lotus Development has split, we're going to buy that one actually. So it's cleared the 140 area. So let's buy that. And let's buy General Electric, as that's had a split as well. Let's write this down. I want to have a look at the chart first, because I'm not sure what their current price is. As the charting on this is a bit strange. When they split. Oh, Coca-Cola, that's the other one we want to look at. So let's have a go look at the charts. I'm going to step aside from these downtrends. 140. So what happens is the chart doesn't reorganize itself. If it advances, the chart actually goes down, which I've noticed. It sounds strange, but you'll see what I mean. I'll put that in there for now. Jaguar, which we've sold out of. British Steel, not cleared 100 yet. That's flat. Coca-Cola, that is a breakout past the 50, so we're going to buy that one as well. And that's gone past our buy area. These are all downtrends. General Electric, so that's at 140 as well, so let's put that in there. And we are going to buy Coca-Cola. It's gone from 44 to 63. It's cleared the 50 area. We're going to buy 5,000. Just write that down. That's our stop area. Just check our assets. So we own quite a lot of stocks. We're almost at break even. So let's end the turn. Now we're back in a bear market. British Steel, that's going to affect our price. British Steel workers walk off the job. We're going to be out probably. British Steel down 19. British Telecom down 5, we're going to be stopped out. BP down. General Electric down 5. Lotus down. This is going to be a sea of red, I think. Tough market. This one's a tough one. Okay. Let's see the damage. So British Steel. Well, it didn't clear 100, did it? So our stop is still at 50. So it's gone from 99 to 89. So we're still in this. That's okay. No reason to sell. British Telecom is up, and it's cleared the 100 area now. So let's add to our position. So let's buy. Well, it hasn't cleared as it hasn't had a stock split yet, so let's leave that one. AT&T's flat. Lotus. Right, this is important now. So the last price was 74, and it dropped to 42 after the stock split. So our stop area is actually 50, so we need to sell that, unfortunately. Can we sell it? Nope. We don't want to do anything with Jaguar. Let's get out of there. Oh, can't sell the shares. Okay. Well, let's write that down. Right, General Electric has retreated from 67th to 58. So that was the old price. So it needs to hold the 50 area after the stock split. Coca-Cola is just holding the 50 area from 63 to 50. So let's have a look at the charts of these split stocks. There we are. So it didn't actually drop all that way. It's just that the new price started at 60 odd or something, and then it dropped to 40. So that's, it doesn't account for the stock splits, these charts. So look at General Electric. That's the other stock split chart. So there we go. It's had a stock split, and the old price was, well, the new price is about here, and it dropped down a little bit. It hasn't actually gone from there to there. So that's the weird thing about this game. Anyway, let's end the round. Bull market. Warner Communications cuts production by 1/3. But we don't hold it. More layoffs are due. Warner comes down 7. Jaguar down 11, which we've sold out of. Pan Am Air down 12. Coca-Cola down 12. I think we're going to be out of that, unfortunately. Mobile Oil down 17. Dividends AT&T 12. General Motors 6. This is a really tough game. Don't know if we're going to make any money at the end of this. So, okay, we definitely know Coca-Cola we're going to be out of. Yes, we're definitely out. It's gone from 50 to 5. That was down 45. That's insane. Let's look at the chart. That's a crash. Pan Am Air we've stayed out of. Oh, Lotus, that's up. That's good. British Steel didn't clear the 100 area, so it's come back to our breakout point. AT&T, I think we're going to be out of that too. Coca-Cola, what happened to you? 50 down to 5. That is a real, that's a shock. I mean, we want to just sell out just under 50, but that's the problem. You can't put all your eggs in one basket, because that's really like jump your stop. So let's sell all of Coca-Cola. I mean, in real life, would you see a stock lose that kind of value? You know, certainly I wouldn't be putting my money in a stock like that if it was doing that in real life. These names are all fictitious. It's just a coincidence that they sound like the real names. Okay, so Lotus, anyway, went from 42 to 74. So that's definitely cleared the 50 area now. So we'll just keep on that one. Let's work down the list. British Steel, that's holding it, that's fine. British Telecom, flat. AT&T has dropped beneath 100, so we have got to get out of that one. It's a shame it's dropped so much. Come on. That's the one we want to sell. Come on. So we don't have any of those left. General Electric. That's gone from 50 to 64. So let's add to our position as it's advancing. We haven't done that yet. So let's put another 5,000 lot in there. And let's see if there's anything else interesting. Jaguar, that's gone from 90 to 109, so let's have a look at the chart of that. And Tandy and Jaguar, and Syntex. And Woolworths. We'll have to have a look at the chart now to see if we've got any breakouts here. No, no. I want to buy all-time new highs, so I'm not touching that. That we've got. That is a breakout of the 100 areas, so we'll buy Jaguar. 10D. It's retesting it, but it's not a breakout. And Syntex. We want to be on board with that one, so that's clearing the 100 area. So, oh, Canon's doing alright, isn't it? But not clearing the 50 area yet, so won't buy that. But Syntex, definitely want to buy that one. Let's write that down. Let's go hold the 100 area. And what was the other one? Jaguar. I just want to check the chart again. Yes, we'll buy that one. That's an all-time new high breakout. So let's buy that one. $5,000. And let's write that down. Let's check our assets. Not too well, we're losing money here. Let's end the round. Just over halfway through the game at the moment. Bear market. Strong imports and weak capital spending present short-term problems. Pan Am Air up 39. Tandy down 33. British Telecom up 17. That's finally moving. Canon down 17, which we luckily didn't buy. BP up 15, Pan Am Air up 15, Tandy up 15, British Telecom up 15, Canon up 15, BP up 15. Dividends, Warner Comms 8, Syntex 18. Nice. Okay, let's have a look at the situation. British Steel has advanced from 63 to 73, that's okay. British Telecom 124 to 36, that's okay. Lotus 74 to 82, that's good. General Electric 64 to 77, that's okay. Syntex 123, it's flat. Jaguar 109 to 127. That's fantastic news. Everything is up, so we should be in the money. If we look at our assets, 48,000, nearly. Right, I don't think we need to do anything this round, so we've got enough positions open. We've got 6 positions open, that's enough for me. So let's end the round. I feel like I'm over trading in this game. Bought too much. I think 5 or 4 positions is more than enough. Gold is still taking a plunge. A lot of people and companies are selling. Selling what exactly? Gold. British still down 13. Syntax down 5. Mobile oil down 13. Patel down 16. This is a volatile game. Up and down. Dividends, General Motors 2, which we don't have. Okay, let's check off on our positions. British Steel 73 to 60. That's triggered our stop. British Telecom's flat. Surprise, surprise. Lotus is flat. General Electric, where are you? It's down a bit, but we're okay. Syntax is up 123 to 128. Jaguar, where's Jaguar? There, 127 to 118. So that's still okay. So let's have a look at these charts. British Airways is broken past the 50 area. There's only 2 more rounds left, so I don't know, might buy this one. Well, we've got too many positions open, so we'll leave it for now. Pan Am Air hasn't fallen into our buying criteria, so it'll be very hard to call a bottom on that one. General Motors has been largely in a downtrend. Lotus Development has been an uptrend pretty much all the way through the game. Ignore this part, this is the stock split. And Jaguar's been doing okay. British Steel has largely been sideways all in all. Tandy's going down. British Telecom has been very strong, but mostly sideways to up. AT&T, we've been whipsawed out. Coca-Cola has been a disaster for us. Syntax, that's still going up, so that's fantastic. Mobile oil's been going down. BP's sideways. Woolworth sideways. Dunlop down. General Electric has gone up, but it's now flattening out. It's had a stock split. Warner Communications has been in a downtrend. Mattel has just been creeping along the bottom there, so we haven't touched it. Canon has been a slow burner, but it's probably too little too late. Rolls-Royce has been okay. British Airways, we're back to the beginning, so let's just end the round. I mean, I guess it was lucky that we've got 20 odd% return in the last game, and the aim is now not to lose money. I think if we can break even, I'll be pretty happy. The Saudi Rial begins a sharp decline due to a falling oil price. European, American and Japanese banks could be in for a rough time. British Airways down 8. So it's a good thing we didn't buy that then. Lotus Development down 15. British Steel down. You can't short stocks, I don't think, in this game. So if you're long only, it's this is a tough market, this one. So everything's pretty much down. I wonder if you can sell stocks. Let's try it in the next screen. Let's see what happens. If we make a loss, we make a loss. I'll still post this video out. It's a bit of fun. Alright, British Steel still holding the 50 area. It's gone from 60 to 65. It went up actually. British Telecom dropped a point from 136 to 135. That's okay. Lotus has gone down from 82 to 77. That's okay. General Electric, where are you? 70's gone. It stayed flat. Syntax has dropped 2 points from 128 to 126, and Jaguar is flat. So let's see if we can sell something that we don't own. Can you short stocks? Select stock to sell. No, you can't. You're not allowed to. Let's try Canon. No, so you can't short stocks that you don't own. So you're long only in this game. Let's check our assets. 46,000. Well, we're just going to sit on our hands, so let's end the round. You can only get what the market gives you. Bull market. General Electric Company strikes. Oh, we own that. That's a shame. Down 19. Mattel down 10. Lotus Development down. I thought this was supposed to be a bull market. Down 10. Pan Am down 8. Canon down 14. British Airways down 19. How can this be a bull market? Dividends, Jaguar 20. So we've got a nice chunky dividend. And that's the end of the game. So Mr. finishes with, well, we're up. 5,375. Not bad, but I've seen better from little kids. Well, you get used to a zero rate interest environment. I wonder what the interest rate was in 1987. So let's get the calculator out and have a look at our return. So it's the difference, 3575 divided by our original amount, 50,000, times by 100, 7.15%. That's not too bad. It's better than what you get from the bank. So yeah, that's the aim of the game, I think. If you try and break even or make a little bit, and if the market goes, definitely trends up, you're going to ride it without looking, because the charts, because the game doesn't provide you historic charts. It's hard to buy something that's breaking out. You just got to be lucky in the first initial rounds. So yeah, there's our top score, and yeah, we won't zero that. That's a bit of fun, just applying a simple mechanical system. to the game. So we'll have a few more goes of this UK version or the American version, and let's see if we can build upon that. I mean, if we can get 20% annual return or per game, I'm pretty happy with that, to be honest. So happy trading, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.